Good morning, everyone. I, Monica Mittal, coordinator of Center for Online Studies, welcome all the participants and respected experts, faculty members to the inaugural session of Certificate of Life Insurance. हर शुभ काम गणेश वंदना से शुरू किया जाता है, तो हम ये भी सर्टिफिकेट का लॉन्च वी आर स्टार्टिंग विद गणेश वंदना. दुबे सर. तो भगवान के आशीर्वाद से हम पहला सेंटर फॉर ऑनलाइन एजुकेशन का प्रोग्राम आज आरंभ कर रहे हैं. सो द ऑब्जेक्टिव ऑफ द प्रोग्राम, with the increasing use of technology, life insurance industry is witnessing a paradigm shift in its all the domains, especially in sales and operation. So there is a growing need of technically sound people who have 360-degree overview of the working of industry. So the course proposed to intends to provide an opportunity to all the working professionals to understand afresh principles and practices of life insurance from the practical aspects. It would have inputs from all operation areas related directly with the customer interface. Technology-driven interruption and the future scenario would be focal point in the class deliberation. Now I request Professor Dubey, Chairperson, Center for Online Studies, to give a welcome address. He is a participating academician with 35 years of industry experience in IT services, leading world-class organizations like IBM and Tata Group. He has published over 12 academic books and taught over 10,000 students as a visiting faculty at leading B schools. So over to you, sir.
Okay, so thank you, Monica, and namaskar, all my participants, all my colleagues. It's the most auspicious occasion for me to launch this program and welcome all of you. This program, as Professor Pandey will explain more about detail, my purpose is to make you comfortable. We in BIMTech, we have got a Center of Online Studies. We offer short-term programs like this one, and we are also planning to launch long-term PGDM program for 2 years for working professionals. And as you know, the online education has picked up in the last 4 or 5 months. Our inhibition has gone away from attending the online classes because of an unfortunate pandemic situation. So every situation has some good takeaways. This is one of them. The second thing is that we all have to behave like a student. I know you are all working people. You will have much more knowledge in certain areas. But today and next 5 days, 10 days, we will all behave like a student. As a child, we should be curious to learn. We should listen to the ideas, participate. We will also enable you with certain technology and tools in going forward. We'll create a classroom for you where you can interact with each other in the asynchronous mode. For example, the classes will be over today, but if you want to interact with the faculty, so you can go to Google Classroom. So all that thing we will set up today. We'll play some games, we will do some exercises, and I will assure you that you will also be subjected to certain quiz and tests going forward, because no learning can ever happen unless we'll keep evaluating ourselves whether we are learning or not. So once again, welcome to all of you, the participants here, my faculty colleagues, and obviously the Center of Online members. So back to you, Monica. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Now, I would request Dr. Abhijit Chaturaj, Professor and Chairperson, PGDM Insurance Program. He is a well-known and established insurance academician and professional with international acclaims. He is a chartered insurer and also a goodwill ambassador of CII in India. He is a keen researcher and consultant and has been engaged with insurance industry with several live research projects. Dr. Chaturaj is a distinguished keynote speaker. I request Dr. Chaturaj to give an introductory address about the course. Over to you, sir.
Very good morning, and thank you, Professor Monica, for the brief introduction. On behalf of Birla Institute of Management Technology, on behalf of all my colleagues, I welcome all the participants for this online certification course, which is designed very well, and I'm sure it will help you once you complete this course, and after some time you will realize that this course has really helped you. I always felt when I joined the industry that mastery over any subject essentially means mastery over the terminologies, masteries over the concepts. If you master the concepts, master the terminologies, and then you apply when you work in the work field, that really helps you, that really does a lot of wonders. In the marketplace, one communicates with several things. What do we ideally call in marketing terminology, the various P. Product is one P. With product you communicate. But with P, the other P, which is very, very important, is the physical evidence I always mention. But with the person who is communicating in the marketplace, if he is versed with, as I said in the beginning, terminologies and the concepts, and he knows how to apply them in the marketplace, that does wonder. I thank my colleague, Professor Manoj Pandey, for taking pain to design this beautiful course. And looking at the modules, there are 8 modules, and technology, of course, in the last module. The course has been designed with a lot of pains. I have been observing him, the kind of pain he is taking. And my colleagues from Center of Online Studies, led by Professor Dubey, Professor Manoj Pant, and Professor Monica Mittal, they have taken really a lot of troubles to see. This is in fact the first online program. We have one master class we had, but this is the first online program that the center is launching, and I'm very hopeful. As I said, a lot of pains have been taken. In fact, Professor Pratik Priyadarshu is sitting there. He also helped Professor Manoj Pandey. So it's a good team effort, and I'm sure with seasoned professionals like Professor Dr. Porwal, a great friend of mine, will be joining us. So I have a feeling, a strong feeling, that this particular certification course will help you. I once again welcome all of you. I can see Mr. Rajesh Chetan. I can see also Dr. Binod Athreya, all well-known names, and I may not be knowing many of you, but over the course of this particular certification course, I'll come to know you very well. What I also, a very small suggestion before I wind up, that Professor Pandey, I request him to give a good glossary of terminologies at the end of the program. And if you get that glossary of terminologies, I'm pretty sure that will fire your ambition the moment you see one particular word, and if you don't know the meaning or its application properly, that will that will motivate you, that you prod you to learn more about it. So if that is possible, we'll work towards that. If a glossary of life insurance words, terminologies can be given, we will be giving. Thank you so much, you all the participants, all the distinguished members here, and look forward to a very exciting online certification course, and with the hope that you will enjoy this particular certification course. Thank you so much for the opportunity.
Thank you so much, sir, for your wishes and your words. And I'm sure that this team efforts will lead to a lot of value addition to all the participants who are present here. Learning journey is good when you have the best mentors. So I'm sure we have 2 best mentors here to deliver the course. It gave me immense pleasure to introduce Dr. Bharat S. Podwal, a qualified medical professional with MBBS and MS degree. He has to his credits 2 MBA degree, one each in project and risk management and hospital and healthcare management. He has been professor at Symbiosis Institute of Health Sciences. In insurance sector, he has vice president in Bajaj Life in life underwriting and Bajaj General in health insurance. He also served as head of claim and investigation in Tata AIG Life Insurance. As present, Dr. Podwal is running his own consultancy business. He will be handling the underwriting and claim module. So I'm sure with such a experience, we all are going to learn great. And the second faculty is none other than our own Professor Pandey, who has been serving BIMTech from last a year and had a rich experience of industry, not only in India, but also have a lot of international experience. So Professor Pandey has served in life insurance industry for 19 years in India and Gulf, was recruited officer with LIC of India. He is with BIMTech for last 8 years as faculty. His core interest lies in digital marketing and insurtech. He has been a panel member, a moderator and participant at various forums. Now I request both the faculty members to please welcome our participants. Over to you, Manoj sir and Bharat sir.
Podwal sir, पहले आप नहीं sir.
Okay, fine. Welcome everybody and good morning. I welcome you to this very exciting course. As Professor Chaturaj mentioned, this is going to be a very exciting course for all of you. I understand most of you all are from the insurance industry, already working in life insurance industry. So I urge you to make the maximum benefit out of this course, which is run by BIMTech, right? So you have two exciting things. One is an excellent organization and the second is the excellent certification course. Now, since you are already working, most of you all, in life insurance industry, what I would suggest is that you should also do a lot of self-study from the various documents that we will be sharing and use the lectures more for discussions rather than passive learning. Use it for active learning, discuss your problems that you face in day-to-day life. So that way you will be able to learn much more as well as use the theory in your practical day life. So thank you very much and welcome again. Over to Professor Pandey.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Professor Monica. As anyway, I will be interacting much more with this particular group. So nothing more to say except the fact that very thank you all participants. Thank you Binod ji for getting such a big chunk from the Nepal. And we'll be interacting, but I would also like to place my sincere thank to some of my seniors, my industry friend who are available in this particular ceremony. So thank you Anurag Jain ji, thank you Mohinder Singh Kamboj ji, Sagar Sanyal sir, our own very dear colleague, Rakesh Agrawal ji, Vikas Rastogi, and my senior from LIC days, Mr. Akash Mishra, who is a regulatory member in the Mauritius. So at least I would like to thank all these people who have been here with me for this inaugural session. And thank you all. Over to you, Monica.
Thank you so much, sir. And again, on behalf of BIMTech, on behalf of Professor Manoj Pandey and Dr. Bharat, I welcome all the participants once again. Now, it gives me a pleasure to introduce Rajesh Chetan ji. And I'm so impressed by his profile when I read a word Kavi there. So, Chetan sir, I'm introducing you, but definitely we would like to hear a few lines from you. So, he's a renowned insurance professional and a Kavi. Career in both these core areas started in 1989. He has a MDRT qualifier for last 15 years in a row. He is the founding president of Financial Professional Roundtable and organizing, promoting skill development, training for insurance professionals. He is also the president of Shankar Bharati Delhi unit. He is a renowned Kavi and has visited many countries. One can see his regulatory on different TV channels. Proud to share that both his sons are alumni of our PGDM insurance course and are doing great work in their respective careers. Over to you, sir, but please accept my request of few lines. Thank you so much.
बहुत अच्छा मोनिका जी, बहुत अच्छा संचालन कर रही हैं आप, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद आपका। और मैं उन दोस्तों से माफी चाहता हूं जिनको हिंदी समझ में नहीं आती। कोई है क्या ऐसे जिनको हिंदी समझ में नहीं आती? एक बार मुझे भी सूचित कर दें चैट बॉक्स में कि हमको हिंदी नहीं आती है। मुझे लगता है कि मेरे नेपाल के मित्रों को भी हिंदी जरूर आती होगी।
बहुत आते हैं, नेपाल के सबको हिंदी आती है।
आती है, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। क्योंकि मुझे मन की भाषा में बात करना अच्छा लगता है, तो मैं हिंदी में ही बात करूंगा आप लोगों से। बिमटेक मेरे लिए मंदिर के जैसा है, गुरुकुल के जैसा है। मेरे जीवन के यहाँ पर कुछ वशिष्ठ मुनि रहते हैं, कुछ मेरे ऐसे आइकॉन रहते हैं यहाँ पे जिनको मैं विश्वामित्र भी कह सकता हूँ। तो बिमटेक मेरे लिए रामायण है, मेरे लिए मंदिर है। और ये मेरे जीवन का कोई पुण्य रहा होगा कि मैं बिमटेक से जुड़ पाया। मैं कभी नहीं भूलूंगा इस बात को कि मैं चतुर्वेदी सर के पास अपने छोटे बेटे केशव को लेकर गया था कि सर इसकी काउंसलिंग कर दीजिए, इसको क्या करना चाहिए, कंफ्यूज्ड है। और मैं ये भी नहीं भूलूंगा कि वहां पर मनोज पांडे सर आए थे और ये कहा कि ये बच्चे को आप मेरे पास छोड़ जाइए, मैं संभाल लूंगा। और उन्होंने अपना वादा बड़ी ईमानदारी से पूरा किया। और आज मेरा बड़ा बेटा राघव जैन SBI जनरल इंश्योरेंस में बहुत लीडिंग पोजीशन में है और छोटे वाला बेटा रिलायंस जनरल इंश्योरेंस में है। मैं 1989 से इंश्योरेंस इंडस्ट्री में हूं और मेरे जमाने में इस तरह की सुविधाएं हमको नहीं मिल सकी। मैं तो गांव का, देहात का आदमी हूं। देहात में ये सब सुविधाएं हमको नहीं मिल पाई। लेकिन मेरी एक इच्छा रह गई है, वो मैं आज आप सबके सामने व्यक्त करना चाहता हूं कि मेरा अगला जन्म जब हो वो भी इंश्योरेंस एडवाइजर के रूप में हो और उसमें मैं बिमटेक में पढ़ने के लिए फिर आऊं। ये मेरी इच्छा रह गई है। भगवान से ये प्रार्थना करूंगा कि आप मुझे ये शुभ कामनाएं दें कि मेरा जो अगला जन्म हो तो मैं बिमटेक के स्टूडेंट के रूप में अगला जन्म लेना चाहूं। और दोस्तों समय कम है और मैं ज्यादा, मुझे बोलने की आदत है, मैं स्पीकर हूं और कवि हूं, तो ये बोलने मेरी आदत हो गया है। लेकिन मैं जानता हूं यहाँ समय की सीमा है। एक ही बात कहना चाहता हूं, अभी मैंने एक फेसबुक पर भी इस बारे में कुछ कहा था तो मनोज पांडे सर का कमेंट भी आया था उसके ऊपर। देखिए नेपाल वाले दोस्तों, एक बात बताना चाहता हूं कि मनुष्य का जीवन जो होता है वो 70 वर्ष का, 80 वर्ष का, 90 वर्ष का जो भी हो, उसको हम 3 पार्ट में देख सकते हैं। पहला पार्ट है अस्तित्व, दूसरा है व्यक्तित्व और तीसरा है प्रभुत्व। बस इसको मैं 1.5 मिनट में डिफाइन करना चाहूंगा। पहाड़ी के ऊपर एक पत्थर पड़ा है तो वो अस्तित्व है पत्थर का। किसी कलाकार ने उसको वहां से उठाया, उसके ऊपर हथौड़ी चलाई, उसके ऊपर छेनी चलाई और उसको एक मूर्ति का रूप दे दिया। ये अस्तित्व हो गया मूर्ति का। अब ये मूर्ति आ गई किसी शोरूम में और वहां पर कोई मंदिर का पुजारी पहुंचा, कोई ट्रस्टी पहुंचा ट्रस्ट का, और उसने उस मंदिर को, मूर्ति को परचेज किया, मंदिर में स्थापित कर दिया। और अब ये सारे नगर के, सारे गांव के प्रभु जी हो गए हैं। लोग आते हैं, पूजा करते हैं, आरती करते हैं, वंदन करते हैं और ये प्रभु जी हो गए पूरे गांव के। मूर्ति बोलती नहीं पर लोगों को लगता है कि मूर्ति बोल रही है। मूर्ति सुनती नहीं पर लोगों को लगता है कि मूर्ति सुन रही है। हमारा जीवन भी ऐसा है। हमको ईश्वर ने, हमारे माता पिता ने जन्म दिया धरती पर, अस्तित्व में हम आ गए। अब माता पिता ने, हमारे परिजनों ने, हमारे परिवारों ने हम पर संस्कार देने का काम किया। फिर हम स्कूल आ गए तो अध्यापकों ने हमको शिक्षित और दीक्षित किया। फिर हम कॉलेज आ गए तो प्रोफेसर्स, डीन, लेक्चरर्स ने हमको हमारे ऊपर काम किया, हमको शिक्षित और दीक्षित किया। और ये सब काम होते होते हमारा अस्तित्व बदल गया व्यक्तित्व में। और यहां तक की यात्रा में मुझे माफ करना, हमारा कुछ भी नहीं है। जो कुछ है वो समाज ने, परिवार ने, राष्ट्र ने हमारे लिए किया है। हमने कुछ नहीं किया। हम 25 साल 30 साल की यात्रा में हमने केवल लिया है और लिया है, और इसके बाद जो यात्रा आरंभ होती है वो प्रभुत्व की यात्रा आरंभ होती है। ये यात्रा आपने स्वयं आरंभ करनी है और प्रभुत्व की यात्रा में आपने एक माइलस्टोन खड़ा करना है, बहुत कुछ देकर जाना है, बहुत कुछ समाज को कर्जा आपने चुकाना है। ये है प्रभुत्व। आज ये सर्टिफिकेट कोर्स जो बिमटेक ने आरंभ किया है, ये बहुत जरूरी था इंश्योरेंस इंडस्ट्री में। जिस प्रकार से इंश्योरेंस इंडस्ट्री बढ़ रही है, मैं देख रहा हूं कि लगातार एफपीआरटी के अंदर भी, मैं एफपीआरटी का प्रेसिडेंट हूं, हमारे यहां भी लोग ये जो व्यक्तित्व वाला कार्य है वो बहुत, उसमें अभी भारत में उसमें बहुत काम करने की मुझे जरूरत लगती है। तो मनोज पांडे सर ने, बिमटेक ने ये बहुत अच्छा निर्णय किया है कि स्किल इंडिया के लिए लोगों को ट्रेंड किया जाए, इंश्योरेंस सिखाया जाए, और इसमें मेरे जैसे जो लोग जो नहीं पढ़ पाए अपनी नौजवान आयु में, वो भी आके पढ़ सकते हैं। मैं चाहूंगा कि एफपीआरटी के भी कुछ लोगों को मोटिवेट करूं और आप यहाँ पर इस कोर्स में ज्वाइन करें आप लोगों को। ये सच में एक अद्भुत प्रयोग है, और ये जो यात्रा है अस्तित्व, व्यक्तित्व और प्रभुत्व की, उसमें एक माइलस्टोन खड़ा करने का आप लोगों ने काम किया है। मेरे नमन स्वीकार कीजिए, मेरा प्रणाम स्वीकार कीजिए, मेरा अभिनंदन स्वीकार कीजिए, और एक छोटे कार्यकर्ता के रूप में इसमें जो भूमिका आप मुझे देंगे, बहुत कर्जा है मेरे ऊपर बिमटेक का, तो जो भी भूमिका बिमटेक मुझे देगा और मुझे वो बहुत अच्छा लगेगा। कोई भी अगर मैं किसी काम आ पाया, आपने मुझे इस कार्यक्रम में आमंत्रित किया, मैं पांडे सर का, उनके सब साथियों का, मोनिका मैडम का, आप सबका हृदय से धन्यवाद करता हूं। नमस्कार, धन्यवाद।
थैंक यू सो मच सर, थैंक यू फॉर योर वर्ड्स। आपकी बात सुन के और आपका मोटिवेशन देख के ऐसा लग रहा है कि हमें और भी बहुत कुछ करना है। और डॉक्टर चतुर्वेदी के साथ रह के मैंने भी अपने 15 साल बिमटेक में बिताए हैं, और मैं आपकी बात से बिल्कुल सहमत करती हूँ कि भगवान मुझे भी जब अगली बार जन्म दे तो मुझे फिर बिमटेक में आने की मौका मिले, बिमटेक में पढ़ने का मौका मिले और बिमटेक को सर्व करने का मौका मिले। मतलब दैट आर द ट्रू फीलिंग्स व्हिच हैज कम अप। थैंक यू सो मच सर, थैंक यू फॉर योर वर्ड्स।
मोनिका जी, जस्ट आपको थोड़ा सा व्यवधान दे रहा हूँ राजेश जी की बात सुन करके। मुझको ऐसा लगता है कि हम लोगों को पोएट्री इन मैनेजमेंट का एक कोर्स जरूर करना चाहिए। तो राजेश जी मेरा आमंत्रण स्वीकार करें, हम लोग
सर कर सकते हैं सर, ये काम जरूर होना चाहिए और उसमें हमको भी जुड़ने का मौका मिलेगा। आप ये काम सर जरूर कीजिएगा सर।
हाँ सर, मैं भी थोड़ा बहुत पोएट्री करता हूँ, लेकिन हमको लगता है कि ये जरूरी है, समय के हिसाब से हम लोग को सोसाइटी में गिव बैक देना बहुत जरूरी है। सो थैंक यू सर, वी विल टॉक ऑफलाइन। थैंक यू सर।
बहुत धन्यवाद
सर। मेरी रिक्वेस्ट रह गई 2 लाइन्स की। सर इतना अच्छा कार्यक्रम शुरू कर रहे हैं, 2 लाइन्स बोल दीजिए प्लीज।
हाँ, मैं जरूर बोलूंगा जी, जो 2 लाइनें बोलूंगा। देखिए, यहाँ अभी नेपाल के हमारे दोस्त जुड़े हैं, आपने एक सेतु का काम किया है, आपने नेपाल को और भारत को जोड़ने का काम किया है, बिमटेक ने ये अद्भुत काम किया है। लोग कहते हैं कि ताजमहल मोहब्बत की निशानी है, मैं इस पर टिप्पणी किया करता हूं कि ताजमहल मोहब्बत की निशानी हो सकता हो, पर इसमें मोहब्बत कहीं मुझे दिखाई नहीं पड़ती, क्योंकि शाहजहां ने मुमताज के मरने के बाद 3 शादियां और की, तो कोई मोहब्बत की निशानी है तो राम सेतु है, ऐसा मुझे दिखाई पड़ता है। तो मैंने अपनी कविता में कुछ यूं कहा था, अगर प्यार करना है तुमको राम सिया सा प्यार करो, वनवासी हो गई पिया संग सीता सा व्यवहार करो, जंगल जंगल राम भटकते सीता को किसने देखा, अश्रुधार नैनों से बरसे विधि का ये कैसा लेखा, राम सिया का जीवन ही तो प्यार भरा नजराना था, माता पिता की आज्ञा का तो केवल एक बहाना था। क्योंकि हमारे नेपाल के दोस्त हैं और नेपाल का जो संबंध है वो सीता मैया हमारी नेपाल की और हमारे राम भारत के, तो ये दोनों मिलते हैं तो नेपाल और भारत दोनों जुड़ जाते हैं। इसलिए मुझे लगा कि एक सेतु बनाने का काम बिमटेक ने किया है, इसके लिए आप लोगों को साधुवाद।
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
बहुत धन्यवाद सर, थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक यू सो मच। So I take the pleasure of introducing our second speaker, Dr. Vinod, Executive Chairman, Banking, Finance and Insurance Institute of Nepal, Kathmandu. नमस्कार सर और बहुत आपका स्वागत है। He is a seasoned and well-respected banker. Dr. Vinod retired as ex-director of Nepal Rashtriya Bank. He has been CEO of Emerging Nepal Limited, a private investment bank established to foster and help grow key enabling infrastructure framework to build a better Nepal. He is also the executive chairman of Banking, Finance and Insurance Institute of Nepal, a leading trainer and development institution. BIMTech has a formal tie-up with BIIN for working together in executive development area. I thank you so much, sir, on behalf of BIMTech and welcome you. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, Monica ji. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you very much. First of all, let me thank all the BIMTech for supporting us in organizing this this conference, this training program on the life insurance sector. Thanks to all the faculties of the BIMTech for sharing this this course with the Nepal, so that the participant from Nepal can also learn something on the insurance sector. So let me take a few minutes on BFIN. Banking, Finance and Insurance Institute of Nepal is promoted by the banks and financial institutions. It is promoted by 16 banks and financial institutions to develop the capacity of the entire financial sector in Nepal. So in our domain, we have all the banking sector, we have all the financial sector, we have the cooperative sector. Also, we have the government sector because we do deal with the Ministry of Finance as well. So that are the domains. So in totality, we do provide training courses, we do run recruitment services, we also do consulting services, we provide financial literacy services. Those are some of the activities that we are doing. Now, coming to the next with BIMTech, we have a strategic alliance with the BIMTech, and we have been to BIMTech premises as well. We have run many courses in the past with the BIMTech. And just to let my colleagues, now 24 of our colleagues are here from Nepal to attend these courses. Let me tell our colleagues that all the courses that we have run in collaboration with BIMTech or in the premises of BIMTech has been rated exceptionally. Our delegates who have visited, stayed there in BIMTech, they have rated that the course were very, very professional. It was educating, and they were fully satisfied. And when they returned from there and they came to their own institutions, and I have received a report from the CEOs that the course offered by BIMTech were very, very helpful in bringing their excellence in their services. So let me thank BIMTech for providing such a wonderful courses in the past, and I hope so that this course will also be giving a good result to our delegates. Now, let me also share a little bit about the insurance sector in Nepal. As I sit in one of the board of insurance over here, so that the BIMTech will have some sort of background how to go about with these courses, so that you may be able to customize or tune on some of the courses that is required. Okay. Here it is my personal feeling, nothing to do with other thing. Okay. So here the insurance, we have about 19 life insurance companies, and so far their progress is very, very satisfactory in terms of their balance sheet, that I can say. But in terms of training, recently only Insurance Institute Nepal has been established within the regulatory authority. Besides that, there were no any other insurance companies, insurance institute, formally insurance institute, who were providing training to the staff over here. So it is BFIN who started to offer the training on insurance sector over here in Kathmandu. In the past, we had one program already. We invited faculty from India, and she came over here, and that program was rated very, very successful. So we were talking with the Professor Manoj Pandey how we can forge relationship, how we can attract the insurance sector over here. So my request to all our colleagues who are attending this program is that this is a unique opportunity for all of you over here. This is an international course. This is a certified course, and you will be learning a lot from lot from the professional people, from the experts who are engaged for years and years in the insurance sector. This is a unique opportunity for our delegates. So my request to our delegates is to be participative, involve yourself in the training courses, ask questions wherever you feel wherever you are uncomfortable or wherever you have a question, please do write. And this is also an opportunity to forge relationship, because there are so many your friends over there. See, when I was in Thailand attending a training program, I was surprised to know that the branch expansion in Thailand is decreasing in the financial sector. That was never thought in my mind, because in Kathmandu, in Nepal, all the banks and financial institutions, they are expanding their branch network. And when I came back over here, then I told the CEO, see, if you are expanding branch network right now, you may require to reduce it again. So now I can see that many of the banks and financial institutions, they are merging branches in Nepal. So this is something new that you learn when you are interacting with different countries. So now my colleagues, my colleagues who are joining this course, you will be learning a lot of what is the direction, what is the future of insurance industry in India, what is the future position, how it is going forward, and those could be a unique lessons for you to learn, and those will be very rewarding for you to take your institutions forward. Manoj sir, again, I'm telling you that in Nepal, insurance sector is much more dependent upon agency. So that is the focus of our business over here. Rather than training the staff, rather than giving more appropriate knowledge to the staff, we focus more on the agent, because it is the agent who brings business. That is what we understand. So now you have to transform all these individuals who are participating, give them good knowledge, and tell them, see, education to the staff is very, very important. Certified course is very, very important, and the student and our delegates and our staff, they will be transforming the agent. They will be giving more knowledge to the agent, and they will be able to bring much more business to the institutions. So with this note, again, let me thank BIMTech for sharing this course with Nepal. I'm very glad to hear some of the previous speakers who said that the relationship of Ram and Sita. Yes, we have a very strong relation between Nepal and India. We are always together. We share our culture. We sing Hindi song. We look at movies, and we share Hindi songs, and we are part of the family. So thank you very much, and I will be in touch if you need any services or anything during this course. Please let me know, Manojji, and we are very close. We talk very frequently through WhatsApp, probably every day, twice or thrice. So we will keep that momentum continuing in the future as well, and hope hope this program will be very, very successful, as I do believe that it is in the good hands of the Manoj Pandey and their teams. Thank you very much again. Thank you. Back to Monica.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you for your words, motivation for the relationship. Definitely Nepal, BIMTech, we have a very strong relationship, and I'm sure that expectation what all participants have is fulfilled with such a great and enriched faculty like Dr. Bharat and Professor Manoj Pandey. Our student has always been benefited with the knowledge of the experienced faculty, and definitely the participant there will be a lot of value additions there, and we will do our best efforts to fulfill all the expectations. Thank you so much, sir, for your words. Thank you so much. Now, let me introduce Dr. Chaturvedi. He is a person who does not need any introduction, but still, Dr. Chaturvedi is a professor and director at Birla Institute of Management Technology, Greater Noida, India, and he is an alternate president of EPSI. He has more than 42 years of experience in teaching, research, and academic administration. He has been director at AICET, a statutory body under MHRD of India. He is a great personality. He is a voice for education, higher education in India. We all had been continuously inspired by him. He always gives us a lot of space to do experiment, mistakes. And with his hand on our head, we feel so comfortable and blessed. So over to you, sir, for a formal launch of the program with your blessings.
Sir, you'll have to unmute yourself, sir.
Thank you. Thank you, Monica. And
Thank you so much.
you are too liberal to appreciate your director and your teacher. And I am a first servant of this institute, so I have to serve according to my abilities, according to my commitment. Our friends from Nepal, Dr. Binod Atre, whom I have met several times, he has founded BFIN. I heard from him the story of founding BFIN, which is rendering yeoman service to the banking sector in Nepal. Dr. Bharat Bhushan Podwal, an eminent academician from Nepal, our friends from Mauritius, Professor Sanjeev Shankar Dubey, Professor Abhijit Chattoraj, Professor Manoj Kumar Pandey, Professor Manoj Pant, Professor Monica Mittal, Professor Prateek Priyadarshi, Professor Sagar Sanyal, Dr. Rakesh Agrawal, Professor Manoj Parikh, Professor Ankur Kulshrestha, Professor Saloni Sinha, Sri Atul Jain, and many more guests and participants in this program who are attending this launching. I am overwhelmed whatever has been said about BIMTech or about this program. I'm very positive about its success because we have the strong commitment of the faculty from BIMTech India as well as seasoned professional like Dr. Binod Atre. So one thing is sure, that the program will be delivered with latest study material, synchronous and asynchronous videos, and with a state-of-the-art curriculum. I have requested Professor Manoj Pandey and Professor Chattoraj that when Government of India has declared BIMTech as category 1 institution in the country and empowered it to launch online program as many it may be possible for BIMTech, because as per the law of the country, no institution can launch an online program unless permitted by the competent statutory body like AICTE or UGC, and there is a Distance Education Council. So there are certain norms. Earlier it was a free market, anybody could enter into it without any credential. So now it is regulated. So we are offering the program which is under the supervision of the AICTE. Its quality will be monitored by them as well as by Ministry of Education. So be assured about the quality of the delivery as well as the content. We are in insurance education for last 20 years. So I will not repeat why did we enter into it in year 2000. And we were the first business school in India to introduce full-time diploma program in insurance education, postgraduate program in insurance education, because insurance education was probably not got its due in Indian higher education. People used to think that it means that only insurance industry means some agents are selling policies and selling policies in a very unprofessional way. So that was not given respect by the society. Even in the films, the selling agents, insurance selling agents were characterized as a comedian. And so I think there was a huge challenge for us to change this perception that insurance industry is much, much more than selling policies. So we have been supported by the industry. and also the professional bodies from India and abroad. And we are very happy that after 20 years, we are in position to do whatever we wish to do in insurance education. Thank you, all the participants. You have trusted BIMTech. As director of the institute, I assure you that we shall take care and we shall make this program very successful. Thank you, everybody, once again.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you for your words, blessings, and good wishes. And we are sure under your leadership, we will all make best efforts to make it a success.
Thank you.
Now, may I request Dr. Manoj Pant, Coordinator, Center for Online Studies and Professor of Marketing, to please give a formal vote of thanks. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, Monica. It is very heartening to see the esteemed audience across various countries. I see people from Nepal, leading contingent from Nepal, and some people from Mauritius also I am seeing. So it's good to see eclectic audience to attend this session by Professor Manoj Pandey and Bharat S. Podwalji. And as the program indicates, certificate course in life insurance is for practitioners. And what better way to deliver this program than by a practitioner himself. So I'm sure the forthcoming sessions will be engaging, and we would support all the participants with various tools and technologies, whatever we can. I would suggest as people get settled and be more comfortable, we would also be exploring the use of Google Classroom, and we'll be also using some technology tools, which is Socrative for holding quizzes. So nothing to get scared of, and it's a learning tool, and we will handhold all the participants. So formally, let me thank Professor Dubey, Chairperson Center for Online Studies, BIMTech, for hand-holding this program. Professor Chattoraj, who gave a very important perspective of a glossary of the current training program, so that people get away enriched from the different terms and terminologies. The show all belongs to Bharatji and Professor Manoj Pandey. I would thank Shri Rajesh Chetanji for setting the perspective and of course context through his couplets. And then a great thanks to Dr. Vinod Atrayaji, whose role in the Nepal banking sector and finance sector is pretty much credible. And last but not the least, I would thank our director, sir, for supporting online endeavor in a very, I would say, very exhaustive expense. And he has been always appreciative of a lot of new technologies, lot of industry interface to reach out to larger audience, which is beyond BIMTech and beyond Nepal. So thank you so much, all of you. And I wish the coming days are very fruitful and productive. And Professor Pandey and Bharatji will take good care of all of you. My pleasure. And thanks to all of you. Thank you so much. Over to you, Monica.
Thank you so much, sir. Again, Monica, thanks all of you for participating here. Dubey and Manoj Pant, part of Center for Online Education, are always available for any query, any problem. Manoj sir is always there, but we all three are always there for any kind of technical support, any kind of issues. You can contact any one of us at any point of time. Thank you so much. Now we will have a 15 minutes break and we will join again for the sessions.
I think Manoj ji wanted to say something. Manoj Pandey ji?
Pandey sir?
Please.
Yes sir.
आप कुछ बोलना चाह रहे थे?
Pandey sir कुछ बोलना चाह रहे थे?
There is an announcement. Because after this formal ceremony, we are going to have a break for 15 minutes, and then we will be assembling for the first formal class of the session. And for that, there is a different link. I'm sure all the participants have got that particular link, and we will be moving to a classroom session. So that link is there with you. So don't use this particular link. This will be closed, and the second link is available with you.
Sir, it is available on mail or it is available on
mail? Sir, मैं WhatsApp group में भी भेज दे रहा हूँ तुरंत.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much.
It was there in the mail, but I'm putting it in WhatsApp group. And request all the participants, please join this WhatsApp group. That is going to be the main platform of communication.
Thank you so much for this opening ceremony. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you once again, everybody. Thank you, Dubey sir. Thank you, Manoj ji, Monica ji, Pandey ji, and our great director sir, who has been always encouraging Pratik ji and all distinguished delegates, participants, and resource persons for joining this certification course. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot.
हाँ सर, दुबे सर आप कुछ बोल रहे थे?
नहीं, मेरा ये कहना है कि वो 11 बजे आप लोग टाइम से प्लीज कम एट 11 o'clock. There was 1 or 2 comments I was going through in the chat that we should try to use English because there are a lot of participants from the southern India. So don't worry, we will make you comfortable, we will make you understand. Okay, whichever language it is. So whichever both combination will be used. Rajesh ji is a poet, so obviously you can't control a poet. So he will speak in his own words. So with these words, I think we should break, and then 11 o'clock we assemble on a different link. All the best to you.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Pandey sir, for the opportunity. Thank you, Manoj sir. Thank you, sir.